All right, so if your team is still switching between tools for docs, slides, and communication, yeah, that gets messy fast. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI to collaborate and share everything in one smooth workflow. First, quick idea. Gamma lets your team create, edit, and share content in real time without needing multiple apps. Start by creating a document or presentation your team can access. Next, invite your team using the share option. Add emails or generate a share link for quick access. Now your team can work together live, editing, adding ideas, and updating content instantly. Use comments to give feedback or suggest changes. This keeps everything organized. Control access by setting permissions, like view, comment, or edit. Use Gamma's AI to generate ideas, improve content, or summarize discussions. Keep everything structured, separate projects, sections, or pages for different tasks. You can also share your work with clients using a simple link, no downloads needed. Any updates you make are instantly visible to your team, no need to resend files. So yeah, once you use Gamma like this, team collaboration becomes faster, cleaner, and way more efficient. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more AI productivity guides coming soon.